everyone, my name is Jody and welcome to today's Fast 5 SketchUp tutorial. We're going to be taking a look at components and a quick way to select and replace existing components in your model to make your workflow easier. Okay, so we're going to come back to this chandelier model that we were working on in one of my previous videos, and right now the way that I've got this set up is I have 10 instances of this piece here, which is labeled as glass assembly. And then I also want you to notice that in my components window I have 3 different glass assembly components. There's glass assembly 1, and glass assembly 2. So they're all pretty much the same thing, they're just different sizes. I'm going to delete these ones that I just pulled out. What I want to show you is a very useful trick for working with components. We can come over to our component window here and we can right click on the glass assembly option, and if I right click on it, there's an option here that says select instances. I can select that. All of the instances of that component that exist in my model will be selected. Once I've selected them, I can come to one of my other glass assemblies, let's say glass assembly 1, and if I right click on that one, I can say replace selected. Now, in my outliner, instead of everything being glass assembly, it's now glass assembly 1. Another thing that I can do is I can select only the ones that I want by holding the Shift key while I'm selecting things, and you can see now every other one of my assemblies is selected, and I'm working with glass assembly 1. And if I come back over here to my component window and I click on the first glass assembly and then right click and say replace selected, now it's only replacing the ones that I have selected. So now I've just replaced every other one of my assemblies with the shorter one, which accomplishes very much the same thing as what we were doing in our other video. And again, I can select just one, and I can come over here to glass assembly 2 and I can say replace selected. And just that one has been changed out. So this is a quick and easy way to make some changes in your model without having to redo everything, and if you can't maybe always see all of the elements in your model, you can always select that component and say select instances, and all of the ones that are selected, all of the ones with that name will be selected, and then you can make your changes as appropriate. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And then take a look at a couple of these other videos for some more SketchUp tips.